Hi friends, welcome back. In this video, I am going to teach you how to do meta-analysis of the PYQs to predict UPSC prelims paper. Guys, there is a famous quote which says, the only thing new in this world is the history you do not know. Similarly, guys, in the UPSC prelims examination, the only new question which you encounter in the prelim examination is the PYQ which you have not analyzed scientifically. And today in this video, I'm going to show you that if you learn this science of PYQ meta-analysis, then you can understand the trend of UPSC prelims examination and you can prepare yourself for all those unexpected topics which come in the prelims examination. I'm going to take a question from prelims 2024 and I'm going to prove you that if you have properly analyzed the last few years paper, then you could have easily solved that question, and through that we are going to predict some questions which can come in the prelims 2025. So guys, my name is Santosh Pandey. You can see some of my scorecards here. Guys, I was able to crack 6 out of 6 prelims because I did a PYQ analysis in a very scientific manner. I mastered the PYQs. So guys, let us see the question which came in the prelims examination 2024. Guys, I can tell you most of the candidates who wrote the prelims 2024 examination might have left this question. This question was an unexpected question. You can see here, giant stars live much longer than dwarf star. Statement 2 says, compared to dwarf stars, giant stars have greater rate of nuclear reactions. So guys, such kind of questions generally are not prepared by UPSC aspirants. Such kind of themes are not prepared by UPSC aspirants because these themes are not very popular traditionally in the UPSC examination. You will see most of the coaching institute magazines and notes also will not have this. Okay, so was this question unexpected? Okay, let us see something which came in the prelims examination 2023. Guys, you can see this is a question which came in the prelims 2023. You can see in 2023 itself UPSC has asked question on stars. UPSC has asked question on stars. And guys, if you see again in 2024, UPSC again repeated the same theme stars. So guys, if you had done a proper analysis of prelims 2023, you could have easily guessed it that UPSC is focusing on the theme of stars. So you need to prepare everything about stars, and you can see here the next year again UPSC has asked a question on stars. 2023 one question, again 2024 one question. Then why is UPSC asking so many questions on stars? So guys, recently you know that in 2023 Government of India launched a mission called Aditya 1. Guys, Aditya 1 is the first space based mission to study sun. And guys, sun is also a star. Okay, so if you see from 2023 onwards, every year UPSC is asking a question on stars, and in coming years they can also ask a question on sun. Guys, so like this we can understand that there is a logic why suddenly in 2023 UPSC starts giving question around stars, and not just in 2023, again in 2024 UPSC again repeats a question on stars. This is clearly like evidence that UPSC is taking themes from current affairs and doing an interlinkages between various topics. Okay, so guys, you know that people what they will do, they will only prepare Aditya 1, they will prepare what is this mission, they will maximum what they will prepare is sun, but they are not going to study the entire star science of stars. So guys, what you can do for future year, what to prepare? So guys, you have to prepare the basics of star. This is the NASA site. You can prepare this from the NASA site. There is one page on basics of stars you can read. Then you can prepare what? The life cycle of sun like stars. Okay, so this year there was a question on this giant, red giant, and last year there was a question on nebula, or the question can be on white dwarf, a question can be on black holes. Black holes is also a very important theme which can be asked by UPSC in coming years. Okay, this is how you do the brainstorming of the PYQ, and you can able to predict questions in the coming year. So you take a theme and then you try to interlink subjects. Okay, further guys, since Aditya mission is in news for last 1 year, they can ask you about the sun. We can ask you about the sun. What is corona? What is inner core? what is convective zone, what is chromosphere, what is photosphere. So this can also be asked. Okay, and how is the sun energy produced or stars energy produced because of nuclear fusion? So they can ask you on nuclear fusion. So this is how you do a meta-analysis of the PYQs. You understand the trend. Guys, to understand the trend, it is very important to do a meta-analysis of the PYQs. You can see here 2023, for the first time in the last 10 years, they ask a question on stars. So if you had just read this topic and you did not do the analysis and you did not brainstorm what can be future question coming from this topic, then you could have missed the 2024 question. But if you have analyzed this topic and you could have linked, no, why stars are becoming important, because there is a mission from India, which is Aditya 1, which is going to the sun and it is going to study the sun. Therefore sun and sun like stars are becoming very important. So let me read everything about stars, and you don't have to do much, just you write stars and NASA, you will get the entire science of stars, or you can just go through the Wikipedia page and you can just read the Wikipedia page also, that is more than sufficient. So guys, this is how I predict UPSC questions. Guys, in my prelims test series I am doing this analysis and I'm predicting themes which are popular in last 2 3 years, which are emerging themes. Guys, there are some themes which UPSC is covering in just last 2 3 years. They were not popular 5 years 6 years okay back, but they are becoming popular in the last 2 3 years. Those themes you need to prepare, because those things are not there in your standard books also properly. They are not covered. They will be covered after 2 3 years once these questions become popular. So guys, before these things are known to everyone, you need to prepare this so that any unexpected question come from these themes, you are easily able to tackle them. And guys, if you solve my test series, I am trying to incorporate all these important themes which can be asked by UPSC and which has been asked in the last 2 3 years. Basically these are called emerging themes. These are called emerging themes which are emerging in the UPSC. They were not there previously 2 3 years back, but they are becoming very popular in the UPSC examination. So guys, like this, if you like this PYQ analysis, do consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. Thank you friends. Bye bye. Take care.